Hi everyone, this is Ashes. Welcome to this session. Today I'm going to talk about the new file-based streaming which boosted the data streaming in Scilla massively. I will first talk about what is streaming in Scilla and the current mutation-based streaming. Then I will introduce the new file-based streaming and the performance improvements. What is streaming in Scilla? Streaming could mean different things. Here we are talking about data streaming in Scilla. Streaming in Scilla is a low-level mechanism to move data between different nodes. For example, we use streaming to add nodes to a cluster. In this use case, streaming moves data from existing nodes to the new nodes. We also use streaming to decommission nodes from a cluster. In this case, streaming moves data from the removing nodes to other nodes in the cluster. To balance the data of nodes in the cluster, we use streaming to migrate tablets from one node to another. We also use streaming to rebuild a tablet when we rebuild a node. So in summary, streaming enables lots of internal operations in Scilla. That's why we want to improve it so we can have faster operations. Currently, Scilla uses a streaming method called mutation-based streaming. As you can see on the diagram, on the center side, we read data from multiple SSTables. We get a stream of mutations. We serialize them and send them over the network. On the receiver side, we deserialize and write them to SSTables. That's how the mutation-based streaming works. Recently, we introduced a new file-based streaming. The big difference is that we do not read individual mutations from the SSTables and we skip all the parsing and serialization work. Instead, we read and send the SSTable directly to remote nodes. How is this possible? The key is that thanks to tablet, a given SSTable always belongs to a single tablet. This means we can always send the whole SSTable to other nodes without worrying if the SSTable contains unwanted data. What are the benefits of the file streaming? Why is it better? First, it reduces the CPU usage because we do not need to read each and every mutation fragment from the SSTables, and we do not need to parse the mutations. The CPU reduction is even more visible when the user has small cells. Second, the format of the SSTable is much more compact than the mutation format. This means we have less data to send over the network. As a result, it can boost the streaming speed a lot. The test here shows the performance difference between mutation-based and file-based streaming to migrate tablets between nodes. We have 1 billion partitions in the cluster. We compare the time to finish the migration. The file streaming is 25 times faster in streaming time. We also have much higher streaming bandwidth. The network bandwidth is 10 times faster with file streaming. As mentioned earlier, we have less data to send with file streaming. The data sent on wire is almost 3 times less with file streaming. In addition, we can also see that the file streaming consumes much fewer CPU cycles. So in summary, the new file-based streaming makes data streaming in Scilla much faster and more efficient. It allows Scilla to boost operations that use streaming massively. That's it. Thank you.